So, how many years you're studying at New Year's Eve? Is this the first time?
First time.
How is it feeling?
Very new.
Very new, so that makes it your year actually new. See, it's not about the quantum of time. You can very well go and spend a couple of hours. It's not about the quantum of time. This is one habit which has been extremely helpful right from the age of 17. The 1 year, the whole year depends on that 1 hour, that 11 to 12 when you set. There are multiple ways, there are multiple temptations, there are multiple attractions, a lot of things which you can do. But what is it you want to happen in that year is what you do in that 1 hour. So now you're strongly indicating that your career is the most important thing this year, right? Across, whether it's preparation or subsequent articleship, you're indicating that, you're communicating that to yourself, you're saying that to yourself. So this means a lot. It resets something within you very strongly, because it's not about, see, a lot of people come and talk to externally. The internal leg is very important. External influence is only so much. Internally, when you do this, you are trying to reprioritize. This is called ruthless prioritization. So this is exactly, changes a lot. And the most important thing for you to say Happy New Year, the happiness part you'll only get to know on December 31st, not on Jan 1st. So today is the day where you know that your year has been happy or not. Tomorrow you just say it but you don't know, right? For 2025 to be a happy new year, you'll have to work throughout the year, and next December 31st is when you'll realize that the next year has been a lot more happier and a lot more eventful than the current year. So I wish you a fantastic year ahead, not just happiness, a lot of happening things. It's going to be happening because of not what I'm saying, because of what you're doing. Trust the process, stick to that. And at 12 o'clock today, I don't need your day end revision. I want your New Year wish list, whatever. 2025, whatever you want, whatever you think you want. Give me a list, just fold the sheet, fold the papers, and give it to Nikita Hari. I'll make sure HLS will make them happen. So I could have been a secret Santa, but I need a year. I need some time to ensure all those things happen. Proud of your work. Keep going forward. And trust me, 2025 is going to be a very, very special year for all of you. All the best. God bless you. Yeah. God bless you. God bless you and God bless you.
Thank you.